How does Terraform State manage your infrastructure deployments? Imagine building a complex Lego set. You want to know exactly what pieces you used and where they go. That's what Terraform State does for your cloud infrastructure. It keeps track of every resource you create, whether it's virtual machines, databases, or networking components. This file acts like a detailed map, showing Terraform what's already in place and how everything fits together. When you run Terraform commands, it reads this state file to understand what resources exist and what needs to change. If you want to add a new server or update a database, Terraform compares your current state with your desired configuration. It then figures out the exact steps to make those changes happen smoothly. This process helps prevent mistakes like creating duplicate resources or accidentally deleting important ones. Managing this state file securely is very important. You can store it locally on your computer, but that's risky if multiple people are working on the same project. Cloud providers like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud recommend using remote storage solutions. For Amazon Web Services, you can use an S3 bucket, for Microsoft Azure Blob Storage, and for Google Cloud Cloud Storage. These remote backends keep the state file safe, allow team collaboration, and support locking so no two people modify it at the same time. Locking is a key feature because it prevents conflicts when multiple team members are working on the same infrastructure. Enabling versioning and encryption on the remote storage adds extra layers of security and helps track changes over time. This way, you can see who made what change and when, which is helpful for audits and troubleshooting. Terraform also supports workspaces, which let you keep separate states for different environments like development, staging, and production. This keeps your environments isolated and reduces the risk of accidental changes. You can also share outputs between different states using a feature called remote state data sources. This makes it easier to build modular infrastructure where different parts depend on each other. In DevOps and automation pipelines, Terraform state management is essential. It works seamlessly with continuous integration and continuous delivery tools, so your infrastructure updates happen automatically and reliably. Every time you run a deployment, Terraform updates the state file to reflect the latest changes, ensuring everyone is working with the most current view of your infrastructure. To sum up, Terraform State manages your deployments by keeping a real-time record of all resources. It helps Terraform plan only the necessary changes, prevents errors, and supports collaboration with secure, remote storage. It also allows for environment separation and smooth integration with automation tools. This makes managing cloud infrastructure easier, safer, and more consistent across all your platforms.